Hello Aquarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 10 days of July. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal reading, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what we have for Aquarians. God, this card is coming out again and again. So let's see what are the messages from this deck for Aquarians. See what is the guidance from the universe for Aquarians. Message from the universe. Okay, Aquarians, seems to be a good reading. Last one was also very good, and this one is also pretty good after many months, I guess. So anyway, you are celebrating, Aquarians. You are very happy over something, and that something seems to be that you have sort of surrendered yourself to the situation or the destiny or the universe. You are making a new move or a new beginning, a fresh move. It's sort of a new beginning, or you have surrendered yourself, not in a bad way. It's okay, now let destiny guide my way. Once you had that mindset, okay, now whatever will be, whatever is happening in my life is for good, and I'll take that new beginning and I'll start afresh with whatever I have, and I'm ready for it, sort of. And then once you are able to do that, you are spending time alone. You are rejuvenating yourself. You're giving that time to yourself to heal your whatever resources you have. You're enjoying that abundance. Maybe you're taking a break, you're enjoying a vacation, whatever it is. So you are, what I feel here is, you are celebrating, or you are happy over the fact that you have worked on yourself and rejuvenated from a situation, and you are moving towards a new beginning. So you're basically happy for this new beginning, that now you have accepted things, you are ready for a new beginning, and you are perhaps happy with this decision of yours. It's like that. It is a very fresh energy which is coming up, which is making you happy, because now you are ready for this new beginning, and you have taken that leap of faith after working a lot on yourself. Basically, it is something like that, as if you've healed for something from the past. There were many issues which were supposed to be dealt with, and or perhaps you needed to leave something behind, whatever it is. But definitely there is a new beginning, and you are celebrating your abundance. Basically, you are happy with it, and you are celebrating this new beginning. Okay, and here with the King of Pentacles, I think you are very happy and content with your current position now. You have taken back your power. You have taken back your power. You have worked on yourself. You have assimilated yourself. You have gathered yourself, and you are this new beginning. You are very happy and content in this position. You are establishing yourself. You are having developing those firm foundations for yourself, and you look very happy and content in this situation, as if you are smiling to yourself for this new beginning, or whatever you have worked on yourself, it's coming up. You're smiling at yourself, you're content and happy with the way things are happening now in your life. And with the justice, definitely there is some sort of justice which is being served. Situations are being balanced, justice is being served to you. And here with the Knight of Swords, Nine of Swords, what I feel here is that this is something which sometimes still lingers on, causes you anxiety, causes you tension, though this is a new beginning. But as I said, you have really worked hard on yourself, and once you have dealt with whatever was supposed to be dealt, then you were ready for this new beginning. And but still it does linger on sometimes. I think this is that energy which sometimes does remind you, okay, these were the hard times which you have, but I think you have dealt with, you are over with it. Though remnants will be there, and they do, remnants are stay there for life also for some time, but still you are over with it. Maximum thing is over with it. Things are being balanced in your life. And here with the Knight of Cups and with the Four of Wands, what I feel is it is a relationship you are moving towards, or maybe towards a partnership or a friendship, whatever it is, or even it can be an opportunity at work. Definitely you are moving in towards something which is giving you a lot of happiness and stability. It is long-term commitment. Okay, and this is again giving you a reason to celebrate. So for most of you, I feel it is. And here with the Six of Cups, what I feel is you are recreating the happy times. You are recreating the happiness once again in your life, and you are creating stability. It can be a relationship, maybe a new one, maybe an old one, I don't know. But definitely you are in for a relationship, offering those emotions of yours towards this commitment. I see a couple here. So for most of you, it has to be a relationship. Though it can be a friendship or a partnership also, which is stable and committed. It can be anything. It will be obviously different for different people. Everyone is not in a relationship. But whatever it is moving towards a solid foundation. It is moving towards happiness. It is moving towards stability and a long-term commitment. And recreating those happy times. So it is the recreation of happy times which has happened because of the fact that you have really worked hard on yourself. You have worked too much on yourself. You have dealt with the past in a very beautiful way, and you have taken the leap of faith, and this new beginning is giving you this happiness once again. Again with the Queen of Clubs, you have dealt with, this is the courage, this is the strength which you are dealing with this entire scene, whatever the situation was, which had caused sleepless nights, anxieties, and even depression to you perhaps. Okay, Ten of Emotions, this is the guidance from the angels. Life is blessing you with a wonderful and a loving family. Great happiness and emotional fulfillment are now on the horizon. Harmony with those you love is assured. By offering forgiveness and understanding and kindness to others, you are rewarded with unconditional love. So as I said, it is a relationship for most of you. Perhaps you've forgiven people who were associated with this tension. Okay, so it is, life is now blessing you with the wonderful and a loving family. Happiness and emotional fulfillment is definitely there. Number 36 or number 9 may be of some significance where you turn your heart light. Reflect upon a time when you experienced love. That is what I said. Don't take much of attention. Don't grieve these things again. Just let them go. You are recreating happiness in your life. Okay, reflect upon the time when you experienced love. So maybe this is, you are recreating them, or you are being nostalgic of the fact that once you were happy and now you have again created that happiness in your life. So Aquarians, it is a beautiful, beautiful reading for you. That's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.